Does it ever feel like starting an online business that actually makes you money is way harder than everyone says it will be? Have you ever tried to create a product or build a sales funnel only to find yourself stuck with all the technical stuff? Are you spending more money on methods, software tools, and training than you're actually making in your online business? Do you wish there was a simple way to start an online business that actually makes you money without needing to become an expert? The good news is you're in the right place. That's because you're about to have the opportunity to get your hands on a complete turnkey online business in a box that has the power to quickly put hundreds or even thousands of dollars in your pocket. And the best part is, you don't need any technical skills or prior online experience because all the work has been done for you. This done-for-you business in a box is totally newbie-friendly and gives you everything you need to start making money today. This is a completely done-for-you business in a box that gives you everything you need to have your own online business ready to make you money right away. You don't have to become an expert at anything. You don't need to do any writing. There's no software required. You don't need to worry about learning to design or code. And you'll save thousands of dollars when compared to outsourcing everything. Here's what's included inside. Module 1, High Quality Guide. This is a unique and complete guide with over 10,000 words. It's up to date, informative, and includes the most useful, cutting-edge information that your buyers will love. Module 2, Cheat Sheet. The step-by-step cheat sheet breaks down everything inside the guide and makes it easy for your buyers to jump right in. You also get Module number 3, Mind Map, that outlines everything your customers need to know from the guide. Module 4, Resource Report, that gives you access to all the best tools, training, blogs, forums, and infographics. Module 5, Ready-Made Sales Letter and Thank You Page. We hired a top-notch copywriter to create an amazingly high-converting sales page for this funnel. The sales page is designed for top conversions, which means you don't have to even think about writing sales copy on your own or paying a copywriter thousands of dollars to do it for you. Just start sending traffic and make money. Module 6, Hypnotic Sales Video Promo wows your visitors and boosts your conversions even more. Module 7, Done-for-you legal pages created by an attorney. Module 8, Full set of professionally designed graphics. You get a complete set of professionally designed graphics, including any DVD covers and stunning graphics used to give you the best conversions possible. These image files come in PSD format, so you'll be able to edit them however you want and make them your own. Modules 9 and 10, High Quality and Unique Articles. Getting articles of this type from a ghostwriter would cost $25 per article or more. But here, you can have it for free when you get this now. These articles are 100% unique. Use the articles to create scripts for email videos. Use them in your autoresponder series. Reward them for website content. Each article is at least 500 words in length. Private label rights included. As you can see, you get everything you need to start making money right now. You don't need any technical skills. You don't have to worry about doing any of the hard design work. You don't have to hire an expensive designer or copywriter. Everything is 100% done for you and ready to make you money. You decide what to charge and you get to keep 100% of the profit. All you have to do is upload the files, send some traffic, and enjoy the profit you're making from this in-demand, done-for-you business in a box. Although it will only take you a few minutes to get everything set up, if you're a total technophobe and you're not sure how to upload everything and get traffic flowing, we're also including some step-by-step training that shows you exactly how to get things set up. And when you make the smart choice to get this right now, we're also including our bonus traffic training guide that will teach you how to get all the traffic you need to your new sales funnel for free. Are you ready to create a $5,000 to $10,000 per month income online? The only way to earn money like that month after month is with your own product. And if you were going to create everything you're getting inside this business in a box of your own, you'd easily spend weeks or even months putting it all together. Of course, you could outsource all of this yourself. But if you outsourced it the right way, you'd have to spend thousands of dollars on a designer, copywriter, expert to create the guides and resources, and a technical wizard to put it all together. Heck, it cost us $2,250 to create this bundle for you. But don't worry, You won't pay anywhere near that today. Even though we could easily charge $497, and it would still be an amazing deal considering everything you're getting with this amazing done-for-you package, you won't pay anywhere near that today. During this introductory launch, you get instant access to everything you need to create a money-making online business in minutes for less than you'd spend to have a simple logo design. Much less. To lock in your special launch discount, click the button below now. To make this a total no-brainer, we're also including some powerful bonuses valued at over $231 for free. But please don't wait around, the price is going up. And the bonuses are going away soon. Because we don't want anything to hold you back from getting this now, we're going to make this simple by giving you the next 30 days to make sure this is for you. If you change your mind for any reason, just let us know and we'll get you a refund of every dime. The only way you can lose is by missing out on the special price and free bonuses. Stop trying to do all the hard work yourself. Quit wasting money on methods and training that don't work and invest in a proven, 100% done-for-you online business system that will make you thousands of dollars per month without any hard work on your part required. Click the button below right now to lock in your discount with no risk. Video marketing can provide some very high returns on investment. Business owners know that they need to be creating videos around their business to promote their brand. Video marketing is a powerful way to obtain more leads and sales for a business. But it is a must to learn exactly what you need to do to get the results that you want from video marketing. You need to learn the true benefits of video marketing for your business. You need to learn what you need to do in order to be ready for your video marketing. It is critical that you provide the right types of videos to satisfy the needs of your audience. You must approach video marketing in the right way to see the best results. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn exactly what you need to do to get the results that you want from video marketing. You will learn what you need to do in order to be ready for your video marketing. You will learn the true benefits of video marketing for your business. You will know the right types of videos to satisfy the needs of your audience. You will know how to optimize your videos for search and other proven promotional tactics. Plus, a whole lot more. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. This is how you market your business with video. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. The benefits of video marketing. How to prepare for great video marketing campaigns. Different types of videos you can create. Getting set up to make great videos. Where to share your videos for maximum exposure. The advantages of live stream videos. How to optimize your videos for search. How to promote your videos. Video marketing best practices, plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to market your business with video. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to know exactly what you need to do to get the results that you want from video marketing. You want to know what you need to do in order to be ready for your video marketing. You want to know the true benefits of video marketing for your business. You want to know the right types of videos to satisfy the needs of your audience. You want to optimize your videos for search and other proven promotional tactics. Plus, a whole lot more. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy to follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to market your business with video, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, But you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm giving you up to 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you market your business with video. I'll see you on the inside.